Hello everyone, today's video is on a Kurt Geiger bag. A Kurt Geiger bag. I wanted to do a Kurt Geiger unboxing, and if that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to go ahead, if you like videos like these, to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel so you'll know whenever I upload new videos. Remember, you go ahead and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any more unboxings or reveals. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in. So yeah, you guys, today I have a Kurt Geiger unboxing for you, and it's this bag right here. And this is the way it came packaged, and this is a true unboxing. I haven't started unwrapping or unpackaging this bag again. I don't know if you saw my last Kurt Geiger bag unboxing. I ordered from Nordstrom Rack, and this time around they did go ahead and send my package nicely secure and wrapped in a larger box. And yeah, I want to go ahead and open up this beauty. So it's basically, you guys know, the summer months are here, and it's so much fun when you can go ahead and rock and wear some of the Kurt Geiger jelly bags. They're so cute, and they're so affordable. And you guys know on my channel, I totally support and believe in, you know, obtaining affordable items. I'm not trying to break the bank. So, you know, the Kurt Geiger bags are so affordable, and you get quality leather. You get really durable quality leather with that company, as well as the little jelly bags are so much fun for the summer, you guys. So yeah, just a little bit more here to go to unbox this baby. So this is the way the package came. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And it was such a large box for such a tiny bag. So I have my receipt right here from Nordstrom, and the bag was in there like this. That's it right there. Such a large package, you guys, for such a cute little bag. That's okay. Okay, so this is the bag. This is the little one that I decided to pick up this time around. She's so cute. And this is the way she came packaged. So let me go ahead and open up this package so we can talk about this cute little adorable Kurt Geiger bag, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the little jelly bags in the summertime, you guys. I told that story the last time when I opened my other jelly bag on my channel. It just reminded me, they had it packed so well, but the little jelly bags just remind me so much of being young and growing up, and when we used to wear the jellies, the shoes that were the jellies when we were younger. So here is the bag, and I can see it through the package, how adorable and how cute it is. It's such a fun color for the summer. And this is the way she came wrapped, you guys. Oh, this is such an adorable little bag. So cute, so pretty. And the last time I ordered one of these, I didn't get a dust bag, and it wasn't packaged as nicely. So I'm happy that this time around, they did a really good job of packaging this lovely little bag. And it looks like this time around I may have gotten a dust bag. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I did. I believe I did, you guys. So this is the way the bag came. You see they have the chain all nicely wrapped, and it has that beautiful, lovely eagle head right there. She is such a stunner. Such a beautiful bag for the summertime. This is gonna look so cute with some jeans or some shorts, or you know, whatever you decide to wear. So let me go ahead and take the little dust bag out, and this is how they have the little dust bag wrapped. That was really nice. Go ahead and open this up. So yeah, you guys, so this is how they had the dust bag wrapped. I'm so happy that this time around, you know, they sent a dust bag with the bag, because the last time I ordered one of the little jellies, I didn't get a Kurt Geiger dust bag, which, I mean, it's fine. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes, you know, you get it. Sometimes you don't. If you're in the store, you know, and you're shopping, then, you know, you could always make sure that you pick up a dust bag with your bag. But when, you know, when you order by mail, sometimes you don't always get the bag, the dust bag. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish unwrapping her so we can go ahead and enjoy this beauty. Let me go ahead and try to see if I can take off the little, let me see if I can go ahead and take the wrapping off, the plastic wrapping off of the chain so we can enjoy her. But yeah, you guys, that's how I plan on enjoying and wearing these beauties in my collection. just having fun with them in the summer. They're gonna look so good with like your Birkenstock sandals or with like your Kate Spade sandals. They look so, so good with a pair of Toms. You know, in the summertime, that's the time to rock your Toms and your Birkenstock. So I just think that this little pop of color is going to add so much fun to that and to your summer Kate Spade sandals. And when you just want to have, you know, and the good thing about these too is that they're jelly, and I would think that they're a little bit wipeable. You know, it's not like having a real leather bag that you're afraid to wipe it clean. So I'm almost done with all this plastic, you guys, that they had my chain wrapped with. Almost done here, almost done. So we can see what it looks like. Okay. So I think this is good for now, you guys. All right. So this is what the hardware looks like. This is what the hardware looks like, and it's so, so pretty. It's very durable hardware for a plastic bag. This little jelly bag is so stinking cute, and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox her with you guys. And like I said, that's what the lovely eagle head looks like. And there's so shimmer. There's so much shimmer of light to that eagle head. When the light hits it, it's really, really cute. And these little babies pack a punch. They can hold a lot, even though they're very, very, you know, they're small. They're mini little Kurt Geiger jelly bags, transparent Kensington minis. But you can see they are, you know, pretty wide with the width and dimension right there. They can hold quite a bit, enough for you to get a card holder in here, your lipstick, your keys, a few little tiny SLGs, some of your makeup. So they can hold quite a bit, you guys. So yeah, go ahead and stick around on my channel, and I'll probably do a what's in my bag for this beauty, as well as compare her to other Kurt Geiger bags in my collection. Check out my playlist on Kurt Geiger bags, and remember to like and comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. I enjoyed doing this video, and I'll see you again soon in another video.